Hi everyone, Baz here. Today I want to talk to you about bsnes-classic and the features I added to it today. Namely, I added, well, let me show you. So let's open up, I would love to tell you, I've been doing a lot of stuff on the simulator, but let's just keep it simple. Let's load up something by Anthrax, huh? That's fine. Alright, let's get that debugger open. Okay, so what I added was a sprite viewer. So now I can, let's turn on auto update. Auto update updates all of the debuggers menus at the refresh rate of the program, NTSC or PAL, meaning every second, and that's nice, But yeah, we've got this really cool sprite viewer with scaling. I really want to get a cooler ROM than this for because these sprites are kind of boring. I want to redo the whole video now, which is cool. I think I won't read. I really am trying to be in the habit of not redoing things. Here's another feature I added with a recent cartridge loading, but I don't know if it's cool to load Kirby's Dream Course. Yes, I do own the game. I will load the ROM. Okay, so I will now show you the awesome sprite viewing capabilities from a save state. Alright, check it out. See, that's part of this graphic here. We can scale it. It automatically default scales to 2. We can scale it all the way as high as we can go. It'll automatically put you to the max if you go over. It's really cool. I love it. And that's the birdie there. Now there are conversions that take the BGR 555 graphics and puts it into an RGB 32, and for that reason I think that's why we see a bit of a color difference possibly there. So like for that star, I want to really break on that star, let's break on that. No, that star is pretty much similar. I mean, I noticed a very subtle difference, but anyways, not too important. Still really cool. We can find some other cool graphics that are in there. Oh yeah, there's the tree. Just break point there. As you see that tree, there he is. It's part of his face. So yeah, we got that. I added some other things to here, like I changed the character index from decimal to hex because I like hex. I would prefer doing the same for the sprite number. I'm cool with that. Anything else I did just on this sprite viewer? I just really am glad to finally have a sprite preview. That's great. And it does horizontal and vertical flips. It handles corner cases where sprites in VRAM, go from, how I made a video on it on my Learning SNES channel. Yeah, but it handles those corner cases in VRAM where you have sprites larger than 8x8, and like they are not linearly connected in memory. Handles those corner cases. I made a test ROM for that as well. Yeah, I think that's everything. So I don't want to talk too much about the code. There are some there's room for optimization for some parts of that code. Some of the parts of the code are a complete mystery, which I will talk about here for a log's sake. One of the odd things about that code is that I actually, in some way or form, flip the X to get a straight image that maps exactly with what we see on the emulator screen. What's weird is that if I do it without the flipping of the X, the image doesn't print out correctly onto the preview. Don't know why. Couldn't figure that out. Don't know why the other way works. Some sort of discrepancy there. I tried debugging it. Got close to pulling my hair out and stopped before I did, and just left it with the way it works. So that's what I've done. And I don't do my horizontal and vertical flips by the pixel. I actually let Qt handle that, and it actually flips the entire 128 by 128 image, which I consider not as cool as just flipping the region. But like I said, I'm not messing with that. I got it to work. So yeah, I'm happy, pretty happy that this works. Feel free to try it out. It's on GitHub. I'll put the link in the description box. I'll be merging this with Master Branch, so that's good. And as always, this is Prototype. Let me know if you have any bugs with it. And if you're interested in learning about the bsnes debugger, I am definitely planning on making a video talking about all of its features and how to use them. Don't forget to check out bsnes Plus, which has additional debugger functionality. And I can't think of the guy's name who made that. Shouts to the creator of bsnes-classic. Shouts to Bu, who wrote bsnes. And Bu, if you're watching this, I hear that, you know, you're sometimes ashamed of people using your older work, but just deal with it. All right, guys, take care. I love you.